Faguno Mahonai, Faguno Mahonai, RRK match Dobbinai. Faguno Mahonai. Oh my God, Sugnavate. What is that? You are looking very elegantly today, huh? You want to dance with me or what? Yesterday I danced for the same song, Faguno Mahanai, in front of Riyad Parag. He was crying like a baby. Okay, Sugunavati, let's start with you.
SRH has been playing very well in this tournament. Whom do you give this credit to?
Yes, me. Don't get shocked, Sugunavati, because I am the planist behind all these wins and all. Yeah.
So you take the responsibility when team fails as well?
No. That credit won't be mine, Sugunavati. I'm not that selfishless person, okay? There are other coaches whom I give chance to plan the few matches. Those plans were made by those coaches. Yeah. Next question. Yo, ask her, daddy.
About Vijay Shankar's slow start in the innings.
Ray, you have an insult for daddy. I'm going to talk get it. And the manjiga gelpiste slow innings lose motions antave dariduda. Okay. I'm not shouting. I'm cool like Ken Mava in the dugout. Okay, coming to his stupid question. When there are 2 wickets down and Manish Anna is playing like a fire at other end, Vijay cute boy can take his own time, isn't it? Now, few teams in the IPL will be looking with 3D glasses, this match. What are Murugesan? Your test team. Give 3D glasses to your team, your number 4 batsman. You want glasses or what? I have 3D glasses. Murugesan. Okay, don't cry. Okay, you ask her next question, Murugesan.
Anna, namaskar, Anna. Anna, Warner struggling Anna, Romba, Jofra,
yes,
Balingla.
Warner versus Jofra. Murugesan, you see this thing here. Warner did song performance on TikTok. Okay, what is that? Butta Bomma, Chutu Kontive. Okay, this song got famous in Tamil Nadu also. So, here, who is Butta Bomma, you know? Hey, you, Sugunavate, do you know? You are Butta Bomma, okay. But for Warner, it's different. Do you know who? Weak minds, everyone. Weak peoples. Okay, for him it's Jofra Baba. Okay, that's why for this love story he keeps giving those wickets. Jofra comes, he gives wickets. Jofra comes, he gives bowled. He gives catches. So that's the problem. Now we don't play RR again. They are gone. They are gone for good. They are going to Rajasthan to eat what all they want. So no more love story. From next match, Warner will be Warner Bhai. So that's it. And Warner didn't play, no problem. Manish Anna played. What innings Manish Anna played? He came and played like NTR in RRR. He rose, he risen. After 2 wickets. Warner Bhai, Bears Tobro gone. Then again he roared with 8 sixers and revolted against Jofra Baba and his death attack. What an innings, Manish Anna. Wonderful. Next question, please.
Hi, Mr. Babs. RR has been very aggressive in the social media. There was Zomato tweeting that they need a large biryani as well.
Oh, regarding the RR's tactics on social media. Yeah. They bought Mr. Nax, my brother's duplicate also, with RCB. I didn't like their approach, but today they received everything, isn't it? They might have visited Warner's Wangi Bath and Bairsto's Bisibella Bath. But Manish came and gave his Hyderabadi Mandi biryani. Vijay Shankar with his slow performance given them key, isn't it? Rashid Khan and Natarajan, they gave them their Kaubuli and Dal Batti. We dished their own dishes as well. So happy with the performance. We'll go to playoffs as well. And Rajasthan will go outside, doing their Bihu dance. Oh, Faguno Mahonai, like this, okay? Okay, time to go. Sugunavate, sometime come to stadium. I will make you meet with Murali and Lakshman Pa, okay? I will also be there, Bye, Sugunawati. Bye, everyone. Bye. Mahanai.
Sir, Mamakush. Sir, Mr. Bobs.